blessed good morning to you guys. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, and share my content so that other people can get an opportunity to come and see what I do here on my channel. My granddaughter is touching stuff. I'm telling her, don't touch it. And I'm looking at her and she's still touching it. Sorry about that. Rewind. Let's do this again. Okay, so basically what you're seeing in my description is that I am refreshing my master bedroom for fall. That's what I'm doing. I've already painted the room. I've already hung my new drapery. And you'll get to see that as we go. What I'm doing right now, I'm showing you all the stuff that I've gathered over the months in preparation for this. Because, you know, I would go somewhere, I would see something. I had an idea that I wanted. So every time I would go in the stores, I see something, I pick one item up here, pick one item up there. It's because I had a particular look in my head is the reason why I did it like that. But that is also a very good idea for, you know, people, you want to do this. Don't wait till last minute to say you want to get all these different things. You know, pick them up one by one, you know, and say, okay, I'm going to use this for fall. I'm going to use this for Christmas, that type of thing. So yeah, so that's what I did. And now I think I have everything. I was going to go with a very monotone. Zyla, no. I was going to go with a very monotone look. But in the end, I end up adding just one little pop of color to it. So I hope you guys like it. Let me show you everything that I've gotten, okay? So first things first, I got this this filler from Amazon. I am not gonna link it. I will link a different one because the quality of this one is not good at all. It's terrible. But I needed one more because I'm doing 24 by 24 pillows on my bed, and I only had two 24 by 24 actual pillows previously, and then this. But I just went to my closet and I think I saw two 24 by 24. I told you guys I have a lot of pillows. So this is what this is. This is a filler for these. So it's going into. So these are 24 by 24. And yeah, we're going into winter time soon. So I love these and they feel so good. So that's those. I have 4 of these, but I'm only using 3 on the bed. Next, I showed these in a previous haul that these was gonna go on my bed. I wanted to get one more. I went to about 6 or 7 Home Goods and I couldn't find. So this is also going on my bed. This is 24 by 24. And it's 3 of those that will be going on the bed. And then I'm going to use this. This is a duvet cover. So I'm going to put the insert in it. This is not new. I bought this from Groupon. I bought this from Groupon about 2 years ago. And I think the colors, because I was going with that monotone, it has a shimmer to it and it's velvet, because I was going with this monotone look. And this like matches my wall covering that I have on my wall perfectly. Like, it's like the exact color. Let me see. Let me show you. This is the I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these, but these are the pillow covers. If you can't see it. So that's how it looks. It has like this folded, wrinkled look, and it's velvet. So I have that. Then I think this was the jump off for me. This was the first item that I purchased, and was it? Yes, this was the first item that I purchased, and I said, yes, I'm gonna use this to build everything off of. So that's what, you know, if you watch my other videos where I speak about scale and hierarchy and stuff, you try to find something that you're gonna build off of. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna build everything off of, and this color right here, That's the color that's on my wall covering. That's the color on that sheet that I just, the cover that I just showed you. This is a coverlet. So it already, coverlets already have the somewhat of a filling on the inside. So that's what I'm going, this, and it comes, my daughter has it as well, but hers are, these are like actual, the cool gray. This is a cool gray for her. Mine is like a gray taupey color. And it comes with 2 shams as well. So I think that's what I'm going to use. I think I'm going to use the shams. Not sure yet. I'm going to see how things looking on the bed, and you know, me changing things in and out. So, oh, and I picked this up from Ross. So we got those from Ross. And then what I decided to add, the pop-up color that I decided to add that I was not going to add because I was like, I have too many pillows on the bed, and baby complaining that there's so much pillows, as if he has to be the one to take them off. I'm the one to take them off every night, so I don't know why he complaining. But I am going to remove some of the pillows off my bed. Zyla, no, mama, no. No, 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 no. So, I've decided to add this color in here, trying to bring in, because I found that the pinky color was very feminine. So I'm trying to go a little bit masculine, but still, you know, have that feminine. So it's like in between. It's a transition of in between colors. I'm starting to really like this particular color as well. And so I decided to add these two, add this color into the design. I think in the past 2 weeks, I've just been thinking about it. And then I went and I started looking, and I found these pillows at, well, no, Burlington. Okay. So it's these, and I think I'm going to use the back instead. So it's like it's green. It's not, one second, give her bottle. Here you go, mama. Here you go. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, so it's like a mint green. It's not a mint green. It's almost close to, it's not a forest green either. It's like a light forest green. It's kind of muted. And that's what I'm liking. I'm liking these muted colors versus these bright colors. So it's like a muted green color. So I'm not sure. It's reversible, so I can do this side or I can use this side. But once I think the motif, this motif that you're seeing on that pillow, it really, if you look at, I mean, look at it right there. Look at my wall covering. You see how they marry? Everything is gonna flow. Your eyes are gonna flow up. So yeah. So right now, I have a total of, let me see, that's 3, that's 6, and then another 6. 6 and 6 is 12. Lord Jesus. Is it? 6 and 6 is 12, yeah. 6 and 6 is 12. So I literally have 12 pillows on my bed right now. Even for me now, I'm starting to say, Judith, this is team too much. So I am going to, because I have two sleeping pillows for each side, so that's 4 sleeping pillows, but we only sleep on one. And then I have my sham pillow, and then I have all my decorative pillows. So I'm going to probably remove 2 of the sleeping pillows and see. I don't know. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. And yeah, so I am about to get this bed redone. So yeah. Okay guys, I think you know what you're seeing here. Yep, it's about to go down. So I'm about to refresh my bedroom. I was only going to refresh my pillows, my bed, but I've had this gray color on my wall for about 4 years now, and I'm tired of it. And I don't think it complements my wallpaper. I think it's toning my wallpaper, the beauty of that wallpaper down. So, yeah, I'm like gathering everything in the middle of my bed because I'm about to take all that stuff off when I'm finished. So I'm about to take my drapery down. I was like, wait, you're not taping. So I'm about to take this video down. I'm about to take these draperies down, take all my pictures down, take my sconces down, take that mirror down, move that chair, move everything to the center of the room. And then homegirl about to start painting. I think you guys already know how to paint, so I'm not going to video all of that, but I will show you the finished results. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the progress thus far. I have did all the edging. I did all the edgings around in the corners, around the doors, around the windows, around the receptacles, light switches. I took my receptacle and light switches off so it can make it easier to paint. So now all we have left to do is to roll the paint on, which is going to make the process seem to be going way more faster when you just roll it. And I have my little helper here. She came to help me. I can't believe it. So yeah, so this is where I am thus far. So you're gonna see where I am going to change this styling because I don't like it. The 4 pillows is competing with my headboard. In this styling right here, my headboard is my hierarchy and nothing should compete with it. So the height of that I have those is competing. It kind of look good on camera, but I promise you it's competing. So I changed it up and lowering those and putting them in different positions, and this styling looks way much better than what I had there before. So just to give you a little tip, when something looks wrong, it probably is wrong, and it's because you're probably competing. So this looks much better, and all I have left to do is to put my molding around my wall covering because I want it to look like a picture frame, and then my room will be completed. Thank you for watching.